Hey y'all, it's Caressa, Brow Artistry. I am the queen of eyebrows for a woman of color, and as you can tell by the title, I am going to show you how I get my client eyebrows to look like Beyonce. So I went to New York this past Easter. It's the year's 2021, just in case y'all watching this 5 years from now. So I went to New York this past Easter. This client also came to me when I was in Philly this past September, and her inspiration was Beyonce. So she had these really nice eyebrows, and she was like, you know, I want my eyebrows to look like Beyonce. That's my brow inspiration, aka brow inspiration. That's my brow inspiration. That's how I want my eyebrows to look. So when I posted this picture months back, a lot of people were in the comments saying, oh my God, these eyebrows look just like Beyonce. And it was a compliment because that's actually what I was aiming for, and that was her brow inspiration. So, you know, people, they got what I was trying to do. Like they picked up on what I was giving out. So my client definitely had brows to work with. Sometimes I get people who come in with brow inspirations, and I'm looking at their eyebrows like, ain't no way we can do this. You do not have enough hair. Or, you know, there's no way we can do this. Your arch is naturally low. In order for us to make your arch higher, I have to thin your eyebrows out. Nobody's willing to do that. She definitely had enough hair to work with, so I was able to slay her eyebrows like I would slay the queen herself. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining me. So as I said in my introduction, I am going to show you how I get my clients to have the Beyonce-like eyebrows. But before I get to that, go ahead and press the subscribe button right now. And also my social links will be listed below so that you can follow me on Instagram. You can see these arches and so many other arches that I create on all of my queens. And you can also like me on Facebook and every other social media app. So Beyonce's makeup artists are Francesca Tullo or Tullet and Sir John. So obviously they also do her eyebrows. I love how they do her makeup. They are behind some of her most iconic looks, from her music videos to award shows, even just little Instagram posts. Like, they're behind a lot of her really nice, iconic, beautiful looks. I always have loved Beyonce's eyebrows. Her makeup artists do a really good job with taming her eyebrows. I'm pretty sure that they tweeze and they trim like the excess hair that goes above the eyebrow, but I'm certain they don't wax, because I mean, who got time to do that when you in a hurry? And then I know how a razor arch look, and her eyebrows are very precise. Y'all gotta excuse me because I'm a brow nerd, but her eyebrows are very precise. So when I see them, I'm like, I know that they're tweezing them and they have to be trimming them. Also, Beyonce eyebrows do this weird thing where, well, it's not weird, it's unique, but her eyebrows are very unique, being that her right eyebrow, the hair grows like up, like the hair, like usually our eyebrows kind of like grow up and out. Her right eyebrow hair grows literally vertically up on the top part of her arch, and towards her tail it just grow up. And I always used to look at them like, so ain't nobody gonna trim her eyebrows. So eyebrow trends have changed over time, and the queen's eyebrows are not absent from these trends. So throughout the years, Beyonce's eyebrows have changed with different eyebrow trends. I definitely love how they look. You know, as of lately, within the past 5 years, her eyebrows look absolutely amazing. They are definitely sisters. They are not twins. Beyonce also has a naturally high rounded arch, much like my client in the video. Their eyebrows aren't exactly the same, but they have a lot of the same qualities, where the eyebrows, it's not like a pointed arch, it's more like a rounded high arch. Anyways, you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. That's enough for me rambling. Keep watching.